You only need these 6 basic chords in order to do this song. The strum pattern that I'm going to be using is a 2-beat strum, but it's going to be swung. So shoo, do, be shoo, do, be shoo, do, be shoo. I have a link to the complete chord chart down below in the description and in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's play the song together. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, begin. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. You really are a heel. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel, Mr. Grinch. You're a bad banana with a greasy black peel. You're a monster, Mr. Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. Your brain is full of spiders. You got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39.5-foot pole. You're a vile one, Mr. Grinch. You have termites in your smile. You have all the tender sweetness of a seasick crocodile, Mr. Grinch. Given the choice between the two of you, I'll take the seasick crocodile. You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch. You're a nasty, wasty skunk. Your heart is full of unwashed socks. Your soul is full of gunk, Mr. Grinch. The 3 words that best describe you are as follows, and I quote: stink, stank, stunk. You're a rotter, Mr. Grinch. You're the king of sinful thoughts. Your heart's a dead tomato splotched with moldy purple spots, Mr. Grinch. Your soul's an appalling dump heap, overflowing with the most disgraceful assortment of deplorable rubbish imaginable, mangled up and tangled up in knots. You nauseate me, Mr. Grinch, with a nauseous super nose. You're a crooked, dirty jockey, and you drive a crooked horse, Mr. Grinch. You're a 3-decker sauerkraut and toadstool sandwich with arsenic sauce. I hope you enjoyed playing this with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Get the chord chart. It's linked down below. I also have a link to my Christmas playlist and this t-shirt that I'm wearing. Thanks so much for watching to the very end.